Welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, we are making an easy lasagna crock-pot soup. I will list everything you need in the description box below. And if you decide to make this meal, let me know in the comments. So let's start cooking. I'm using 1 pound of ground turkey, 99% fat-free, and I'm gonna brown my meat in my Instant Pot because that's the beauty of the Instant Pot. You can saute things. So it takes about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna take my diced tomatoes, and you can use 28 ounces of diced tomatoes and go ahead and place them in your crock pot. We're gonna need 3 cups of chicken broth. Along with that, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of dried basil and 4 teaspoons of minced garlic. Go ahead and add your low sodium chicken broth to your diced tomatoes. Just add it right in the middle, and then we're going to take our ground turkey and add that. And then we'll go ahead and add our spices. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of basil and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. And along with that, then we'll go ahead and add our garlic. You don't have to add as much garlic if you don't want. And then we're going to add 1 cup of tomato juice and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Along with that, we're going to add 1 cup of water to our crock pot. Just put it right in there. And if you'd like, you could add some cilantro. If you don't have the parsley, add the cilantro. My family likes it all. Then it's time to add the pasta. Now, this pasta is made from chickpeas, so we like this. The thing with this pasta is you have to take it out at the moment that the meal is done. So you don't want to overcook the meal, then this pasta in particular will turn into mush. Add your favorite pasta. That's what I suggest. For us, it's chickpea, but we also use regular pasta, but chickpea is healthier. You'll want to give it a stir. Then you'll want to turn your crock pot on high for 4 to 5 hours, or you can cook on high for 7 to 8 hours. This recipe is so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next video.